Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video, I'm gonna show you how to share your Fiverr link profile. So we're here on the buyer's page. We'll just click on switch to selling. And after here, you'll see these four sections: the dashboard, my business section, growth and marketing, and analytics. So you'll just need to click on your profile logo right here and click on profile. And after that, you'll be redirected here and you'll see your profile. And on the top side, just click on the search bar and just copy it. And now you could send it to anyone you want, or you could share it to anyone you want. And if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.